Kaylin, the decision to get vaccinated, that's what healthcare workers are being left with. And some say it's tough, especially since many of them are providing essential services to their own communities.
I feel like it's not right for them to be mandating that we take this vaccine, that we're putting something into our bodies. So it should be our choice whether we do it or not.
To be or not to be fully vaccinated? That's the question Jenna Chavez and many of her colleagues are being faced with following New Mexico's latest health order. The mandate requires all healthcare workers to get their COVID-19 shots unless they qualify for an exemption.
Making that a condition of their employment is putting our health and safety at risk.
New Mexico leaders are now taking sides along party lines. In a letter sent Thursday to Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham, Republican State Representative Rebecca Dow expressed her concerns, stating a vaccine requirement would cause workers to retire early or leave the state for work. But many Democrats disagree.
I'm more worried about healthcare workers deciding to leave because they're burned out. And they're having to do this a second time around with this surge and the hospitals maxed out, and largely to take care of people who could have prevented getting so sick.
Democratic State Representative Debbie Armstrong says vaccines should be required and that the mandate is the only way to decrease the ongoing surge of COVID-19 cases.
I don't understand why somebody would want to make a vaccination a political issue. Healthcare is a right.
As the president of the New Mexico Nurse Association, Dr. Gloria Doherty says a vaccine requirement wouldn't significantly affect the state's shortage of healthcare workers. And if professionals were to leave, it would be due to their lack of safety.
Nurses who are retiring because they don't feel safe.
Chavez tells me because of the mandate, she's looking to walk out, possibly looking elsewhere for employment in a state that isn't requiring vaccines for healthcare workers. She also adds she's not alone in her decision. Kaylin?